oysters. That's good. We put on the barbecue. Ooh, that's good.
Yeah. Barbecue, okay?
Oh yeah, I'm
And noodles,
gonna
okay?
show.
Guilt free.
Uupo ulit ako.
Ooh, yummy.
Simon, sabi niya, luto na, kakalagay ko lang eh.
Talaga yun. Mabili ka nun.
There's some more.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna show the yummy corn. Who made the corn?
I think.
The farmer.
The farmer.
Yun na.
That's true. That's the right answer though. The farmer. The farmer. That's actually true. Oh, yummy. I'm gonna have. Who made the lumpia?
Hi.
Hi. Merry Christmas.